Ready to train the tactical action of Delta Force? Learn how to create your account and jump into the game, whether you're using social media or a direct registration. For this tutorial, we'll be going with direct registration through the launcher. So, once you've downloaded and installed the launcher, in the login page, look for a button that says Register. That will lead you to the profile creation page. There, you'll have to select your continent and country or region. Then there's a couple of agreements that you'll have to go through and agree in order to proceed. Once you do, you'll have to put in your email and verify it through a code they'll send to your inbox. After verifying it, you'll have to set a password for your account. And once you do, you'll have finished creating an account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.